Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the reading practice 3. Right up. Alright, so let's start. Read with me. At. Okay, next. Any. Next. Because. Okay, next. Become. Okay, next. Chicken. Okay, next. Circus. Next. Deep. Okay, next. Deer. Okay, next. Even. Okay, next. Ever. Okay, next. Finish. Okay, next. Following. Okay, next. Glad. Okay, next. Goat. Next. Herd. Next one. Heat. Okay, next. I'm. Okay, next. Isn't. Next. No. Okay, next. Known. Next. Largest. Next. Later. Okay, next. Mountain. Okay, next. Man. Okay, next. Next word. Nice. Okay, next. Once. Okay, next. Orange. Next. Pencil. Next. Picnic. Okay, next. Receive. Okay, next. Run. Okay, next. Say. Next. School. Okay, next. Taking. Next. Talking. Okay, next. Wash. Okay, next word. Weigh. Okay, next. Yard. Okay, next. Year. Okay, next. R. Okay, next. Ass. Next. Began. Okay, next. Begin. Okay, next, cities, cities, cities. Okay, next, clothes, clothes, clothes. Next, doing, doing, doing. Okay, next, doll, doll, doll. Okay, next word, elephant, elephant, elephant. Next, enter, enter, enter. Okay, next, felt, felt, felt. Next, few, few, few. Okay, next, goes, goes, goes. Next word, going, going, going. Okay, next, hello, hello, hello. Okay, next, hi, hi, hi. Next, if, if, if. Next, in, in, in. Next one, into, into, into. Okay, next, new, new, new. Okay, next, knife, knife, knife. Okay, next, light, light, light. Next word, line, line, line. Okay, next, Mary, Mary, Mary. Okay, and the last, mat, mat, mat. Okay, very good. Let's just repeat some of the words. Okay, follow me. Because, because, because. Okay, next, become, become, become. Okay, next, chicken, chicken, chicken. Okay, next, circus, circus, circus. Okay, next, finish, finish, finish. Next, following, following, following. Okay, next, herd, herd, herd. Okay, next one, largest, largest, largest. Next, mountain, mountain, mountain. Okay, next, later, later, later. Okay, next, orange, orange, orange. Okay, next one, picnic, picnic, picnic. Next, receive, receive, receive. Okay, next, talking, talking, talking. Okay, next, taking, taking, taking. Okay, next, began, began, began. Okay, next, begin, begin, begin. Okay, next, clothes, clothes, clothes. Okay, next, elephant, elephant, elephant. Okay, next, hello, hello, hello. Okay, next, new, new, new. Okay, next, knife, knife, knife. Okay, last one, light, light, light. Okay, very good. We have just finished the third reading practice. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video, the reading practice 4. Bye for now.